Motor Week special. I'm glad you're with us.
Whoa. What up?
And you're watching Sienna Racing. That makes a lot more sense.
You don't know how to put on a sticker, so you're telling me you put each letter on individually?
Yeah, that one looks really good too. I was surprised.
Because you ripped them off one by one.
This is harder than installing the exhaust. The sticker installs are always the ones that get you.
Oh, what else is that over there?
Wow, that's a really cool sticker.
And then you kind of, oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a really nice sticker.
It should be a car.
I can totally see what it says, because that's totally how you put on a sticker. Oh!
Wait, oh.
Yeah, I don't think
maybe they didn't get it hard enough.
I got it.
Oh yeah, get that.
Get on there, bitch. Dude, where is the fucking bed?
Sunny out.
Are you ready? Do we think it's ready?
Oh.
Fuck yeah. That's clean. That is clean. That, my friends, is one big ball sack. Let's shove this bad boy right in there. It's like basically a cup holder. I mean, what goes up must come down. Wow. I'm gonna take his front thingies and put them on my car. His whiskers.
His whiskers. His car whiskers. That's pretty cool. His car whiskers. Wait, yeah. Where does other stuff go?
I'm gonna take your whiskers.
That was just a startup, yeah. Kind of release. Yeah, let the engine. See if you can hear my fart.
Listen to the pops.
Do it loud. See if you can hear my fart.
Wait. Listen to the pops.
Same.
Ready?
I'm not ready yet.
Ready? Listen.
Yeah. Oh wow, it's grumbling. It's a lot different. It's not like Noah's car because that was straight.
Well, no, that was just the pipe coming out right here. It goes at the back. It's not like fucking retarded.
It doesn't sound nice. It doesn't sound louder, but it sounds nicer.
No,
it sounds more
definitely
grumbly.
sounds louder.
I don't know.
I guess I'm just used every day. Like
I'm used to
it
my
did
car.
not used to go like this.
Oh
like
yeah.
The bass, like it.
It's a different tone. It's a different tone now.
It's so much louder.
It's like deeper now. It's like my car's a lot louder.
No, it's not.
Then your old car. Then your old exhaust.
No.
Yeah, it is.
No way.
Yeah, it is. Your old exhaust. My car was louder than your old exhaust.
My old exhaust was even a performance exhaust.
This car's louder than mine.
You'll hear.
Yeah.
Like my
Are you gonna go
subwoofer.
off-roading up there? Dude, the weather's so nice. I was gonna play some basketball later.
I have to go to this college thing.
College planning night?
Yeah.
It's tonight?
Yeah.
Wait, I thought it already happened. I didn't really want to go. Man. It's like 400 more horsepower. No, 500 more horsepower.
It's only like 14, but that's. I don't think that's actually.
It's an exhaust. What are you talking about?
Yeah. I have more
How
air
does
going
it-
in the engine. And now,
Wait,
now I have a way to get all that extra air from the intake out of the engine. More air is more power.
Why does it give more air out even? It's just...
See, that's so much louder than this.
Yeah, it's a lot louder. Go on the top one.
I know, yeah. Let's see this. I've done all
knob.
performance mods
No, but
except
it makes
except
it looks your
red
car looks so much
badges
different.
and fucking